Hello everyone, myself lecturer Miss Aditya Anil Kushare, Master of Pharmacy in Quality Assurance Techniques. Today we are going to discuss about the topic concept of health, that is concept of prevention of disease from health education and community pharmacy. Concept of health, that is the concept of prevention of disease. The topics to be covered are as follows: the definition of health and the concept of prevention of disease. So let's see first about definition of health. World Health Organization, that is WHO, defined the health as health is a state of complete physical, mental and social well-being, and not merely an absence of disease or infirmity, and the ability to lead a socially and economically productive life. The concept of prevention, it includes primordial prevention, primary prevention, secondary prevention and tertiary prevention. So levels of prevention in that first one, that is primordial prevention, prevention from risk factors, prevention of emergence or development of risk factors, discouraging harmful lifestyles, encouraging or promoting healthy eating habits. Then levels of prevention in that second one, primary prevention, pre-pathogenesis phase of disease, action taken prior to the onset of the disease, immunization and chemoprophylaxis. Then secondary prevention, halt the progress of a disease at its incipient phase, early diagnosis and adequate medical treatment. Then fourth one, that is a tertiary prevention, intervention in the late pathogenesis phase, reduce the impairments and minimize disabilities and suffering. Then modes of intervention, intervention is any attempt to intervene or interrupt the usual sequence in the development of disease. 5 modes of intervention corresponding to the natural history of any disease are health promotion, specific protection, early diagnosis and adequate treatment, disability limitation and rehabilitation. Health promotion, it is the process of enabling people to increase the control over diseases and to improve their health. It is not directed against any particular disease, but it intended to strengthen the host through a variety of approaches, that is interventions, health education, environmental modifications, nutritional interventions, lifestyle and behavioral changes. Specific protection, in that some of the currently available interventions aimed at specific protection are immunization, use of specific nutrients, chemoprophylaxis, protection against the occupational hazards, avoidance of allergens, control of specific hazards in general environment, control of consumer product quality and safety. Early diagnosis and treatment, though the not as effective and economical as primary prevention, early detection and treatment are the main interventions of disease control, besides being critically important in reducing the high morbidity and mortality in certain diseases like hypertension, cancer cervix and breast cancer. The earlier the disease is diagnosed and treated, the better it is from the point of view of prognosis and preventing the occurrence of further cases, that is secondary cases or any long-term disability. Disability limitations, the objective is to prevent or halt the transition of the disease process from impairment of the handicap. Then sequence of events leading to disability and handicap, then disease, it leads to impairment, then it leads to disability and it leads to handicap. Disability limitations, impairment, loss of or abnormality of psychological, physiological or anatomical structure of a function. Disability, any restriction or lack of ability to perform an activity in a manner considered normal for one's age, sex, etc. Handicap, any disadvantage that prevents one from fulfilling his role considered normal. Rehabilitation. Rehabilitation has been defined as the combined and coordinated use of medical, social, economical and vocational measures for training and retraining the individual to the highest possible level of functional ability. Areas of concern in rehabilitation: medical rehabilitation, vocational rehabilitation, social rehabilitation, psychological rehabilitation. So what we learned from this topic, that is concept of health, concept of prevention of disease, learning outcomes are: what is health and concept of prevention of disease. Thank you.